What if I told you that for less than the price of a fancy dinner, you could turn your home into a futuristic smart paradise? No, this isn't science fiction. This is 2025, where smart homes aren't just for the rich. Imagine walking into a home that greets you, lights that adjust to your mood, a vacuum that cleans while you Netflix, and security that watches your back 24/7, all without breaking the bank. Let's bust a myth right now. You don't need to be rich, tech-savvy, or live in Silicon Valley to have a smart home. Nope. You just need a little vision and a few gadgets that are surprisingly budget-friendly. Today, I'm revealing the most trending, affordable, game-changing smart home devices that you'll love, and more importantly, how to connect them all into one seamless genius system, which will be explored at the end of this video. So let's dive in. First up, the Amazon Echo Dot, the perfect starter device. Imagine controlling your lights, playing music, or even setting reminders just by asking. Alexa's basically your personal assistant.
Alexa, good morning.
Good morning.
Next, lighting. The Philips Hue. White and color ambiance bulbs are the gold standard. Millions of colors, schedules, and yes, they even sync with movies for a full immersive experience. Want something more budget-friendly? The Kasa Smart Bulbs deliver Alexa and Google control at a fraction of the cost, perfect for lamps or cozy bedrooms. If you are looking for smart plugs, then the Kasa Smart Plug turns anything into a smart device. Control it from your phone. No rewiring needed. Or if you prefer simplicity, the Amazon Smart Plug pairs with Alexa in seconds. Plug in, connect, boom, instant upgrade. For smart security, the Blink Mini Cam is a steal. Indoor monitoring, motion alerts, and night vision. Great for pet checks. Need outdoor coverage? The Ringstick Upcam is wireless, weatherproof, and lets you shoo away porch pirates from your couch. For smart thermostats, the Google Nest Thermostat learns your schedule and slashes energy bills. It pays for itself. Or try the Ecobee Smart Thermostat. It comes with Alexa built-in and room sensors to keep every corner comfy. Meet the Eufy L60 robot vacuum. Strong suction, app control, and your new favorite chore-slashing sidekick. If you want to explore more robot vacuum cleaner and choose what suits your needs and is reliable to you, make sure to explore our video, Top 5 Best Robot Vacuum Cleaners, listed in description below. With smart locks, no more lost keys. The August Wi-Fi Smart Lock retrofits your existing deadbolt, lock-unlock from anywhere. Prefer a keypad? The Schlage Encode has built-in Wi-Fi and works with Alexa. The SwitchBot Curtain Robot automates your existing curtains. Wake up to sunlight without lifting a finger. Yes, it's as magical as it sounds. Finally, for smart air purifiers. The Levoit Core Purifier fights dust and allergens and connects to Wi-Fi. Great for allergies. Now here's where most people get stuck. You buy a smart plug here, a bulb there, and suddenly you're juggling 5 different apps. Ugh. The solution? A smart home hub. Meet Samsung SmartThings Hub, the glue that holds everything together. Now, you might be wondering, why did we place the Samsung SmartThings Hub above your Alexa or Google devices in this setup? Here's the key insight. While your voice assistant is fantastic for giving commands, the SmartThings Hub acts like the central nervous system of your smart home. Think of Alexa or Google as the voice of your home. They're great at understanding you and controlling what they're directly compatible with. But SmartThings? It's the universal translator that connects devices that wouldn't normally talk to each other. For example, if you have a Z-Wave smart lock or a Zigbee sensor, they might not work directly with your Echo or Nest. But with SmartThings in the mix, it bridges that gap, letting you control everything from one app, or even with your voice. Plus, it enables local control for faster, more reliable automations, like turning on lights when a motion sensor triggers, without waiting for the cloud. So while your voice assistant is the face of your smart home, SmartThings is the brains working behind the scenes to make everything play nice together. Here's a real-world scenario. Imagine you say, "Alexa, good night." Without SmartThings, only your Alexa-compatible devices respond. But with SmartThings, that same command can lock your Z-Wave door, adjust your non-Google thermostat, and close your smart blinds, all at once. That's the power of a true hub. Start simple if you want, but if you're serious about a seamless smart home, this is the upgrade path that won't box you in. With this, you can create scenes and automations like good morning mode, lights turn on slowly, thermostat adjusts, coffee starts brewing, all at sunrise. Movie night mode, dims lights, turns on TV, silences phone, one command. Away mode, lights flicker randomly, cameras activate. Looks like someone's home. Let's recap, folks. Smart homes aren't just for tech billionaires. With a few affordable devices, you save time, you increase security, you create comfort, you live smarter. These gadgets aren't just tools. They're stepping stones to a better lifestyle. Smiling, holding a smart plug and light bulb. So, which device are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech wisdom, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tip that can change your home and maybe your life.